If you have been yearning to migrate to Canada with your family, this video that you're about to watch could be the beginning of your journey to Canada. In this video, I'm going to share with you a good news about a program which was introduced in Canada less than 24 hours ago. The sole objectives of this program is to, one, make it easier for companies based in Canada to bring workers from abroad. Two, to restore trust, confidence, and transparency in the immigration recruitment process. Three, to promote economic growth. Under this program that I'm about to explain to you, in 4 years' time, after working in Canada, you could apply for permanent residence and subsequently apply for Canadian citizenship. The program is very straightforward, it's transparent, and as I said before, it was only introduced in Canada less than 24 hours ago. The name of the program in question, before I tell you, if you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Francis. On this channel, we are dedicated to giving you information that would enable you to legally migrate without having to pay any agent any dime. Whether you're looking to migrate through the student route, skilled or unskilled worker, this is the channel for you. Sound information is the key to any successful migration story. Immigration policy changes rapidly, and as a result, it is in your own best interest to stay informed. How do you stay informed? By making sure that you are following a channel like this so that you can continue to get the most up-to-date, comprehensive, rigorously tested and information to benefit you. It is in your best interest to follow us on our Facebook page, follow or subscribe to this channel on YouTube and other social media platforms. So I would encourage you in your own best interest to subscribe. So the program that I'm about to tell you now, this program, the first phase of this program will start next month. The first phase is for agricultural workers. The second phase is open to all sectors of the economy. If you know anyone who works in the agricultural sector, this video that you're watching could be the prayer that they have been praying for. So please kindly share this video with them. There's love in sharing. You could be part of their success story by sharing this video with them. Part 1 of the program starts in September next month, and it is for agricultural workers. Part 2 of the program starts in January 2024 and is open to all sectors. The good news that I'm about to share with you is a program that is valid from September 2023 to September 2024. What is the name of the program? I know you might be wondering now, what is the name of this program? The name of the program is Recognized Employer Pilot Program. The Recognized Employer Pilot Program is a program, as I said before, that is designed to restore transparency, trust, and confidence in the immigration and recruitment process, especially for employers who are bringing workers from abroad. Now, you may know this or you may not know this. One of the biggest barrier to recruiting workers from abroad for companies based in Canada is the labor market impact assessment, LMIA. Now you might wonder, what is that? Before an employer can recruit you from abroad to come and work in Canada, they have to demonstrate to the Canadian government that the job you are coming to fill, they have advertised it. There is no one in Canada who can fill that job. They also have to demonstrate to the Canadian government that you coming to Canada, it's not going to have a negative impact on social cohesion. You saw the ugly incident of xenophobia that happened in South Africa a few years ago, where the locals rose up and started attacking non-South Africans. So the labor market impact assessment is to prevent something like that from ever happening in Canada. So that is why the employers or prospective employers have to demonstrate to the Canadian government that local people, they can't find local people, and your coming to Canada is not going to affect social cohesion. But a lot of employers in Canada have been complaining about the bureaucracy and the obstacle they face trying to navigate the labor market impact assessment. So this program is to make it easier for employers to recruit from abroad and not having to go through the bureaucracy, which a lot of employers have been complaining about. How does it work? So an employer has to demonstrate through their record 3 years of having a successful labor market impact assessment. So there has to be that this employer is not someone who is dodgy, because believe it or not, in Canada, especially in the Toronto area where there are a lot of people, our people there, they have the labor market impact assessment, but they want to collect money from people because they know that people need it. So this policy is to remove them, okay? That so that any employer that you see on the Canadian Job Bank website where you're going to look for job, that employer does not have any negative tarnished reputation. They are people who are ethical, who value human being, and they have a track record of doing things the right way. So this is what this program is all about, okay? So the employers have 3 years of not having any stain on their record. That is the first part. When the employer have that track record, they will be given the recognized status to employ people from abroad. It means that they won't have to go through the LMI, as I said before. They'll be able to hire directly. It's easier and make it quicker for them to bring you from abroad to come and fill job vacancy without having to worry about bureaucracy. That is what this policy is about. Now, for you, how does it work for you? How it works for you means that when you are searching for job on jobbank.gc.ca, that's the job website. That's the website where you can search for job in Canada. Your search, you filter it to make sure that you type in recognize. You first of all, you type the kind of job. If you're looking for a job as an accountant, a lawyer, a cleaner, a cook, or whatever you're looking for, you put the position, your profession, which area you're looking for job. Then you will put recognize in the search for the kind of job that you're looking for. That means that you're not going to have thousands of jobs that you're not qualified to apply for. Only job that applies to you, the fitter will filter it to make sure those are the kind of job that comes up on the search. Okay, so that is something that I would encourage you to do. So I want to quickly summarize the Recognized Employer Pilot Program. So this program is valid from September 2023 to September 2024. Phase one of the program is open to agricultural workers. Again, please, if you know anyone who is working in the agricultural sector, please share this video with them and tell them to get their things ready to start the process of their journey to Canada. And they can start applying from next month for agricultural jobs from next month. So for you, if you are interested in this program, but you're not someone that works in the agricultural sector, there's still good news for you, because from January, you can start applying as well. So that is how this program works. So it can give you, initially you will get 2 years work permit. And after 2 years, because the employer has 3 years labor market impact assessment certificate, they will be able to renew your application, your work permit for another 2 years. And after that 2 years, you will be able to apply for Canadian permanent resident. It means that you're no longer under any restriction. That is basically how the process works. So the next thing I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you the information that I'm giving you now on immigration.canada's website. That's the official government website, because I always try to make sure I empower people. I don't just want to give you the information. I want to show you where this information is so that you can read up on it. You know, if you have any question, you let me know, and I'll leave the link on the description section as well, so that you can read up on the good news I've just shared with you. So I'm going to do that now. And I hope you have found what I've said so far useful. If you want to migrate abroad without wanting to spend money on an agent, it is in your best interest to follow Launch Club. Share the good news about Launch Club to your friends and family. We're here to make sure that we help you without you paying any money to agent. So let me show you now. So as you can see, the name of the program is the uh, Recognized Employer Pilot, ROEP, so which will simplify the process of hiring foreign workers, which is what I said before. So just want to quickly show you. So it says allows eligible Canadian employer to cut through some of the red tape. Red tape means bureaucracy, which is what I said. It said it allows employers with a history of program compliance to gain access to labor market impact assessment. They need to have 3 years, which is what I said before. So here is the program. So the first stage of the program, stage one, begins on the 23rd of September. It begins in September, which is next month. Stage one is for agricultural worker. Stage two is for all sectors of the economy, and both streams will be open until September 2024. As it says here, I want to show you something here, because people talk about the difficulties here. As I said before, when you go on the job website, you need to specify that you want jobs. You need to put recognize when you put the title, the kind of job you're looking for, the area, the part of Canada you're looking for job. You put recognize there. That means that it will only come up with jobs that have been released by people with employers with the recognized status. So here you can see that every day in Canada, 10,000 jobs are open to foreigners. So it could be you. So I just want to show you some of the jobs. So the jobs are there, so this is the website where you can look for job. If I were you, I'll sign up straight away. I will register my area of interest so that when a job is released, it will just come straight to my email. Like here, you can see a job here for a carpenter, paying $26 per hour. So there are different types of jobs here, so the jobs are there. The program is starting in September next month, as I said before. So everything is here. I don't want this video to be long, so I just want to quickly show you this now from the government website. Again, the process is very, very straightforward. So as you can see, it's mainly to make it easier for employers to bring workers from abroad. So if you know anyone who you think is his or her wish is to migrate to Canada, please kindly share this video with them. And also, I encourage you to subscribe to Launch Club, follow us on our YouTube channel and Facebook and other social media platform. Our only goal is to give you the information for you to be able to obtain visa without having to pay agent. In 48 hours time, I will be releasing another video about Canada. This time I will be telling in that video, I'll be showing you the key province that are easy to get permanent resident when it comes to work permit. And I will also tell you the things that you need to be aware of and some of the challenges that you could face and how you can mitigate those challenges. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I hope that this video, you found value in this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and share the good news. And I will see you in my next video. May God bless you and may God let your dream come true. Thank you.